Greetings, pet parents and dog lovers alike. Welcome to Pause and Perform, your go-to channel for all things canine. We're here to guide you through every step of your dog parenting journey. Today, we'll be discussing a topic of great importance, teaching your furry friend to stop biting. This is a common challenge, but with the right approach, it can be overcome. It's all about understanding your pup's needs and communicating effectively. Today, we're going to tackle this challenge head-on, so let's dive right in. First things first, it's essential to understand why dogs bite. Dogs have a range of reasons for biting, and it's crucial to remember that this behavior is often a natural part of their communication and exploration of the world. For instance, young pups may bite more frequently due to teething, using their mouths to explore their surroundings and alleviate discomfort. On the other hand, mature dogs may bite out of fear or anxiety, or to assert dominance. It could also be a reaction to pain or discomfort. However, it's important to note that biting doesn't necessarily mean your dog is aggressive or ill-behaved. It's a form of communication that dogs use to express various emotions and needs. What's important is not to punish this behavior outright, but to redirect it in a way that is safe and positive for both the dog and those around it. Now that we know why dogs bite, we can start to address the issue. The first step in training your dog to stop biting is teaching bite inhibition. Bite inhibition is a crucial skill for dogs to learn. It's their ability to control the force of their bite. Puppies learn this naturally from their litter mates, but when they're adopted into human homes, it's our job to continue that education. So, why is bite inhibition important? It's vital because it ensures that if your dog does bite, they will apply minimal pressure, reducing the risk of causing serious harm. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step guide on how to teach bite inhibition. It might feel counterintuitive, but the first step is actually to allow your puppy to mouth your hand gently. This way, they can learn the difference between human skin and their chew toys. If your pup bites too hard, react by giving a high-pitched yelp, similar to the noise a littermate would make. This should startle your dog and cause them to release their grip. The key here is to not pull your hand away immediately, as this can trigger their chase instinct and lead to harder biting. Instead, once they've released, praise them and offer a toy as a suitable alternative for chewing. This is what we call positive reinforcement. When they chew on the toy, give them lots of praise and affection. This way, they'll start to learn what is and isn't acceptable to bite. If your dog continues to bite hard, despite your yelps, it's time to introduce timeouts. This means calmly removing your attention from them for a few minutes. Dogs are social creatures and dislike being ignored, so this can be a powerful deterrent. Now, it's important to remember that teaching bite inhibition isn't an overnight process. It takes time and consistency. It's crucial to stay patient and remember that your dog isn't biting to be malicious. They're just learning. So keep persevering, stay positive, and remember to reward good behavior. With time, your dog will start to understand the rules, and their biting will become less frequent and less forceful. Remember, patience is key when teaching bite inhibition. It's a process, but with consistency, your pup will learn. In addition to teaching bite inhibition, redirection and socialization are key to stopping your dog from biting. Let's talk about redirection first. This is a technique where you shift your dog's attention away from an undesired behavior, like biting, towards a more acceptable one. Picture your dog gnawing on your favorite pair of shoes. Instead of scolding, you could offer a chew toy, effectively redirecting their chewing instinct to an appropriate item. This way, your dog isn't just learning what not to do, but also what to do instead. Now, it's crucial to remember that timing is everything in redirection. The moment you notice your dog starting to bite, that's when you introduce the alternative. If you wait until after they've started the unwanted behavior, you might inadvertently reinforce it. So, be observant and quick to redirect. Let's move on to socialization. This is the process of introducing your dog to a variety of experiences, environments, people, and other animals. It's an essential part of their development and can significantly impact their behavior, including biting tendencies. Socializing your dog helps them understand and navigate the world around them. It can reduce fear and anxiety, which are often triggers for biting. A well-socialized dog is typically a happier and friendlier dog. But how do you socialize your dog effectively and safely? Start slow. Expose your dog to new situations gradually and always in a controlled manner. Make every encounter positive, rewarding your dog for calm and friendly behavior. It might be tempting to rush this process, but remember, patience is key. It's about quality, not quantity. Also, Don't forget to socialize your dog with other dogs. Playdates with other well-behaved dogs can be a great way for your pet to learn appropriate behavior. They can pick up cues and manners from their fellow canines, learning when biting is and isn't acceptable. With redirection and socialization, your dog will learn appropriate behavior and interaction. And remember, every dog is unique, so be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate every progress, no matter how small. After all, it's not just about stopping your dog from biting, it's about fostering a bond of trust and understanding between you and your furry friend. And there you have it, a guide to training your dog to stop biting. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. To address dog biting, it's essential to understand why dogs bite in the first place. Whether it's because of teething, exploration, or a response to fear or aggression, knowing the cause can help shape your approach to training. Next, we delved into the concept of bite inhibition. This is a crucial technique that teaches your dog to control the force of their bite. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating biting, but teaching them to bite gently, especially during play. We then moved on to redirection and socialization. Redirection is all about providing your dog with an appropriate outlet for their biting, like chew toys. Socialization, on the other hand, helps your dog understand how to behave around other dogs and people, reducing the likelihood of biting out of fear or aggression. But don't forget, these techniques aren't a quick fix. It takes time, consistency, and patience to effectively train your dog. If you encounter difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from a professional dog trainer. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends throughout this process. Thanks for tuning in to Pause and Perform. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more dog training tips and tricks.